needs help. He needs help.
He does need help.
Come on. Help him. Help him row.
He's getting help.
Help him row. Help him row. Help him row. You gotta help him.
He's like, Dad.
Help him. Help him.
Oh!
He needs help. Help him. You can help him.
It's like, but I love him.
Help him, buddy. Push him. Push him.
Oh, we gotta put this on thing.
Push him. Can you push him? Can you push him?
Like mine.
He wants him.
Push him. Help him. You gotta help him. You gotta help him push. Push him. You can do it. Push him. Push him. You gotta push him. Help him. Help him.
That poor hamster.
Push him. You gotta push him.
Look at his lips.
Get him. Come on.
Oh, shoot.
You okay, buddy?
He went.
Help him. Help him get out.
Help him roll.
I feel sorry for the hamster. No!
Ricky,
Do it, Frankie! Emma, stop.
Move back.
Just get back. Come on, Frankie. Roll him really hard. Go like this. Go.
No.
Help him.
Help
Help him,
him,
Frankie.
Frankie.
You gotta help him.
This is
Help him.
going viral.
You gotta help him. You gotta help him.
Go, Ricky,
Help him
go.
roll. Can you help him roll? Help him. Help him roll.
Ow!
What is it? You gotta help him roll. Help him roll.
Oh, shoot.
The hamster. He's gonna die.
He's gonna die. Hey, I'm looking at you now.
He's like, I'm getting out of here.
Help him roll.
He says, I can't roll this stupid carpet.
I'll help. I'll help.
Is it?
Ricky, do it.
What is it, buddy? Oh, can I help him roll? Can I help him roll? Help him roll. Hurry. Help him roll.
He hit it by his foot.
Hey, help him roll.
He's scared of it.
Help him roll. Can you help him?
It's like, get
Help him roll.
me out of here.
Help him.
Small spaces. Gonna die.
Help him.
Oh.
Go do the hide.
Help him. Get him, Frankie. Get him. Get him. Don't leave me. Help him move. Give him some exercise.
You help him? Can you help him roll? Can you help him roll? Huh? Help him roll. Come on, help him roll. Are you done?
You're like, I don't know. I'm scared.
Help him roll. Go on, help him roll. Well, help him.
Oh, he stayed like that when he rolled. He was like this the whole time.
Frankie the hamster's not a chew toy.
Look. See? He's like, damn, look at him. He's moving. Get him. Come on. You got this, brother. Just think. Think.
He's looking at him.
He's like, hey, Dad, get me out of here. Dad, get me out of here. Dad.
Oh.
I'm so sorry for this hamster. Oh. He like saying like that.
Frankie.
Frankie.